Hi there, Wayne. This is part 2 video. Right, now you see this here. This is a micro switch, and only that switch is pushed forward when the button is released. And when the button is released in park, it will push this switch forward, okay? And at the back of the switch, the micro switch, which is there, you can see two wires there. Now what that does, those two wires, is release the ignition lock, so you can take the key out of the car. Now, I'm sick to death of this problem. I could just drive on my other car. I got a bit more plastic, and I could drive the car by just lifting it up and moving it. But it is nice to have a handle on there, right? Now I could put the handle on, but I want to basically break something, or maybe what I should do is release these two wires there and have the wires sticking out somewhere, or make another switch for it so I can release my lock. I wondered what your thoughts are on this, whether it's a bad idea or a good idea, or I just wanted your idea on it. Basically, these two wires there, they allow me to take the ignition key out, okay?